Okay, so I have no idea what the hell I'm gonna do to my face. Like, when I go out, like, I never know. This is kind of frustrating because it is, what time is it? 5:54. They want to leave about 7:30, 8 o'clock, and I'm not so sure that's gonna happen now. I have this plan in my head, and it's just not working. So yeah, I'll think about my eyes while I'm doing my face. That'll be the easiest thing to do, and just so I can stop licking my friggin' nose, cause ugh. This smells so good. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face first because I don't know what to do. And I never do my face first, like ever, but I need to maximize my time some type of way. But yeah. So yeah, as y'all can tell by the title of this video, this is just gonna be a get ready with me because I didn't know what else to do. I guess I can do something neutral. But are y'all tired of seeing like neutral stuff? I'll do a matte look. Yo, I have no idea what I want to do. But yeah, I'm gonna go out with my friends, get some drinks, have a good time, that type of thing. Hey, don't chew on that. Go find your chew toys. My scar ain't your chew toy. Thank you. And y'all, my skin has been breaking out. Like, I haven't been liking this at all. Chile. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Foundation. I'm probably not even gonna show y'all everything that I use because this is just to get ready with me. I will list the products down below. I know I've been saying this lately and haven't been doing it, but I swear this time I mean it. This time I mean it for real, y'all. Because I'll be having people ask me sometimes. Or not dead ass be forgetting. And they just take so long that I'd rather not do it. So that's what I haven't been doing, y'all. But I'm gonna do better. I swear. And for concealer, I'm going to start off with this Smashbox Concealer. This is shade Dark Warm Olive, which I probably shouldn't have got this shade because it's basically my skin tone, but I'm gonna brighten it up with my Too Faced one, so no freaking worries. And yes, it is friggin' storming, unfortunately. Well, it hasn't hit a storm yet, but it definitely is raining pretty hard, so pray for me tonight, y'all. Hopefully we end up going downtown because my dad works down there and I can hop on the trolley for the free. But yeah, that's all the concealer I'm going to add. Oh, hold on. On my nose to look snatched. And I still don't know what I'm gonna do with my eyes, you guys, but we're going to work it out. And while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I am gonna cream contour tonight because I like a more crisp look when I go out. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. This one's a little red, so it's almost like a bronzer, but it gets the job done. Oh, y'all, I bought the Jackie Aina and Anastasia collab. I'm so freaking excited to get it. It'll be here, well, today is Wednesday. It'll be here tomorrow. I just bought that thing yesterday morning. and it shipped out last night. And I'll have it tomorrow because I got the 2-day shipping. So that's freaking awesome. I'll be filming a video with it this weekend. I'm excited, y'all. Have y'all seen all the drama about it? All the white people, well, not, I ain't gonna say all the white people, but a lot of people who don't like Jackie are like coming for her real hard. And I don't like that at all, because Jackie is that girl. Jackie is that girl, and really the people who don't like her are either racist. Yes, I said it. If you don't like Jackie, you're racist, because she don't really do nothing. That's all I'm saying. If you don't like Jackie, you're racist. I said what I said. Period. Let me go ahead and set my face. Dang, I don't have none of my stuff on my desk. BRB. Like, a lot of people who haven't even seen the palette, like, like, held it in their hands, are coming for it. Like, I love the palette. I like the color scheme. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like the formulation because I love ABH shadows and whatnot. But yeah, a lot of people who don't even have the palette yet are like really coming for it, and I'm just like, how you gonna judge something you ain't even got? The white people. And of course, I'm not talking about all white people in no way, shape, or form. But a hit dog gonna holler. So if you got offended by any of that and you are white watching this video, then check yourself. Like, I was 100% gonna buy the palette whenever I saw it at work, because I saw it at work before she even announced it or whatever. So I already knew what it was. I just never said anything until, because I of course didn't want to leak it or anything like that. And I work at Ulta, for those of you who are new here. So yeah, that's my whole thing behind it. I was gonna buy it regardless, but the people who are coming for her made me want to buy it even more, because we need more black people getting these collabs. Like, is Jackie the first black person to ever collab with Anastasia? Am I wrong? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I really do think Jackie is the first black person to collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills, as far as influencers go. And I honestly think as far as anybody goes. I need to fact check myself on that, but I'm pretty sure she is. And that's an accomplishment in its freaking self. We already don't see enough black people getting these types of opportunities, and for Jackie to have this opportunity, especially with somebody like Anastasia Beverly freaking Hills, is freaking amazing. And if Jackie can do it, that means I can do it one day. So here we are. But no, for real, y'all, the way people were coming for her, I didn't like it. And that's why I'm buying 2 more palettes. I'm going to put them both in a giveaway. So just in case y'all don't get your hands on it, remember I said that in this video. And I was going to enter 1 in my giveaway, but I think I'm going to buy 2 in addition to the one I already bought, because either I'm going to keep it as a backup when I hit pan on that one, because I'm sure I will, or I'm going to enter them both into 2 separate giveaways. I haven't decided yet, but here I am. Just reference this video when we come back to this in the future when I hit 200 subscribers. Okay, moving on. So I think I'm going to do something neutral but glam. So I'm going to go into the matte book palette from the Crayon case, because it has all of these rows of, like, this whole row of matte browns down here. So I think I'm gonna go into this real quick. And y'all, my brushes are dirty, so I'm gonna be spot cleaning them as I freaking go, because I didn't do my job and clean my brushes. So. Okay, on the first step of I don't know what the hell I'm doing, I'm gonna go into see, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm gonna go into this middle shade right here. I want to be really warm. So. And I want to go ahead and deepen this up a little bit more. Ooh, I don't think I want to go that dark just yet. Okay, I'm gonna go into another palette real quick. Ooh, this is a Never Fail Me palette, so I'm gonna go into the Perception palette from Makeup Shayla and go into I'm gonna go into this one down here. This is a really great dark brown. It's not too dark like that one I was gonna grab from the matte book, so I'm gonna go into this one and put that directly into my crease. And just to cut my crease just a little bit. It's really just to give my give me a clean base to start with. Just gonna cut my crease a smidge, just a smidge. So yeah, I didn't want that to be a true cut crease because I've been cutting my crease a lot. But I'm gonna go into this shade down here. Can y'all see that? Let me go into this one right here and make that my lid color. And finally, I want to deepen up my crease just a little bit more, so I'm finally going into this dark shade right here. Just a little bit. I'm gonna line my eyelids with my Morphe liquid eyeliner because what's a tutorial without a liquid eyeliner from Morphe? Y'all, this is the best liquid liner ever. I freaking love this liner. The felt tip one is bomb too. But I think my sister stole it. Okay, so I don't think my wings are even, but we're gonna roll with the punches. Let's keep it going, shall we? Where's my mascara? Y'all, I can't find nothing. Hold on. Hands down, the best mascara ever is the Lancome Big Monsieur mascara. I don't know if I said this in another video, but I got this for free as a free gift from work one day. And I've been using it ever since. Literally the best mascara ever. Y'all hear yelling? Those are my nieces chasing my dog. Ugh. Told them not to let her out of here, but they insisted on doing that anyway. I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth and dust off this excess powder. First color I used, the very first one from the matte book palette, I'm gonna sweep that on my lower lash line. Okay, so I just applied my lashes, y'all. Like, my eyes always do this weird thing where one looks more closed than the other. I'm just gonna apply some eyeliner because, y'all, I have to get the freak up out of here. I haven't even dressed. I don't even know what the fuck I'm wearing. My friends are gonna kill me. I'm always the freaking late one, so shit. But whatever. I'm just gonna apply this eyeliner, some highlight, and call it a day. Just gonna spray my face. Okay. I'm gonna press this in. Roll and press, roll and press, roll and press, roll and press. Okay, so the last thing left to do is to highlight, and I'm just going to take this highlighter from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Soda Pop, and highlight my face. Y'all, I am breaking out, and I have no freaking idea why. Like, oh, like it's grinding my gears because I really truly don't know. I'm gonna also go into my Pure Masquerade Face Palette and go into this lighter shade up here. Oh, and before I forget, I'm gonna take some of this as well and put it in the inner corner. This time I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Woo! Okay. Of this look, I'm going to take my Sepia Gloss, the mini one from Anastasia. Oh, I was saying, I'm going to take this Sepia Gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is the completed look. Like, okay, I'm fine or whatever. I can hurry up and get dressed. I can just throw on any outfit. As long as my makeup look good and my outfit kind of decent, then I'm good. But yeah, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. I didn't know what I was doing. I just threw something together because I wanted to get a video up for you guys. And this is just a simple look. Get ready with me. This look was super easy. Even though I kind of dipped into 2 palettes, it's still pretty doable with 1. But yeah, this is freaking awesome, perfect, easy for a girl's night out, which is what I'm about to go do. I'm finna get lit, get drunk, dry the boat a few times. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do I got this? Who is it? Yeah, like I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl make a upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.